What's going on, traders? Julian here, just doing a quick recap on ODT. Pretty simple, straightforward trade. Just sort of side note about the market. I wasn't noticing a ton of stuff out there that was going on. Opportunities were a little bit shallow today. I'm still swinging long a few stocks. I'm swinging one stock short. And on the day trade side of things, ODT was really the only thing off of the scanner that showed up that was all right. So I took a swing at this, and this thing did put in some really great work right out of the gate. It started to materialize into a pullback right after about 10 o'clock. And as soon as this thing started to pare back a little bit, I was looking for a dip buying opportunity. You could see actually right through here that there was a really beautiful dip. Now, I actually was waiting on this candle to print, so I didn't get in exactly where I wanted to. There's a little area in here at the top of this candle that I wanted to get long, and this thing just kept going and going and going, and I wanted to wait for the print. The reason being is because the last thing I want to do is buy a level, have this thing spike up, and then come back in the range, and now I'm going to fake out. So I waited for this bar to print, and as soon as it pulled back a little bit, then I got long. The thing is here is that you sacrifice a few cents for confirmation that the thing's going to pop and hold. And if this thing can produce an actual breakout of trendline resistance, and it can hold that trendline resistance, and essentially the level that I was looking at as a breakout was right through here. If that thing can hold and the volume is there, then I'll buy that bar towards the end of the close or the first pullback of the secondary candle. So ODT was pretty simple. I got in, I put on my profit target taking tool, and I'll tell you what, it was up in this level that I hit my first target. My first target was actually 490. And I'll show you what happened here. And I wasn't proud about this, but this thing hit 490. Couldn't get through, couldn't break, and then we had a nice sell-off right through here. It did come all the way back down to VWAP, which actually had me a little bit worried because that's not too far off from where I got in to begin with. And then it rallied, and it tried to break, and as soon as it got up into this level, 497, again, just 7 cents over my target, it just wasn't showing me anything positive. Like, there was nothing there that was suggesting that this thing was going to break. And what I was looking for was an actual breakout here, and that did not come to fruition. You can see that it tested a bunch. It sold off. I was patient with this. I did hold. I waited for it up in this level, and you know what? You're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attempts to break 490 and confirm 490. More importantly, get over this level, which would have been roughly 495. So you got this zone resistance level that is not breaking, it's not pushing, the market's not taking it higher, and so I couldn't wait any longer. I took profits at 490. What I was waiting for was for that level to break. I think I had something in the 425 level, and then up in the 525 level, and then in the 560 level were some other targets that I was looking at. Had that level broken, I suspect they would have been hit, but it wasn't broken. We got a double top, and we got the momentum fading, so that was my signal to get out of this trade. Again, ODP, solid trade, pretty standard textbook strategy that I'm using here. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to reach out, ask any questions. Info at jlewistrtrading.com, and that is the trade of the day.